Cool.
Hello. So we got a little bit of an update on the Z. As you can see, painted the engine bay. Painted the engine bay with the engine still in there, by the way, which is pretty interesting. I just basically removed what I could and used a spray can. It's just rubber can, so whatever. Here we got progress on the hood. This has been painted and cleared. Right now it is at 1500 on the grit. So we're going to 2000, maybe even higher. Oh yeah, we got a lot of the crap out of it. I didn't show you guys, but there was a bunch of like dirt up here. We'll see after it's all done. Started with setting the air down. That's a painted wet sand because it's like it's more complex shape than the hood, obviously. Picked up the new skillered inspection louvers. Well, they're louvered, but they're lids, so you get new hardware and stuff. I got these super expensive seals. As you can see, this is for the windshield. They don't have grooves for the chrome. As you can see, this has grooves, and this one does not. Which is what I wanted. I don't want the chrome in there.
Well, you should show them your new windshield.
Yeah. So, it's pretty decent packaging, right? Since I'm gonna pop out the windshield eventually, but I got a new one to replace it. Pretty decent packaging. What? Let's see.
Huge crack.
Someone dropped it right here.
Where did you get this from? Rock Auto?
I got it from Rock Auto, but I'm guessing it got damaged during transit.
Yeah,
it looks nice otherwise.
Yeah. Like you can see right through this.
And it's tinted. My windshield's not tinted.
Oh.
So they gave me a full refund. Yeah, so they gave me a full refund, which is not a huge deal. I don't have to ship this back, so that's cool. But I still need a windshield.
Should I stop it?
So I got one of the fenders primered. This is just one coat so far. I'm probably gonna hit it with the primer surfacer after this because there's some imperfections still. But yeah, we got the fender flares drilled out here. I actually ran out of primer, so I can't do the other one. So that's surprising because this one's all out, but still got my part B here. It's just like halfway. Maybe I mixed it wrong. But yeah, I'm waiting for this to flash, which is about 30 minutes. You're supposed to do 2 heavy coats. We'll see how it looks after that. I'm probably still gonna hit it with the primer surfacer, which will help fill in more crap. Yeah, it's a bum I can't do it at the same time though. So that's it for me. I think Ellen has some plans for today.
Oh yeah, so I guess while he's working on the Z, I'm gonna go to some rice meets. See how it goes. Haven't gone to a meet in a while. Here, give me that. So Skyline's staying here, and I'm gonna take the Corolla out. Already running late. The meet starts at 11, I think, and it's 11 right now, so better get going. A little harder to get in now because of this bucket seat. See you guys there. Alright, so we made it to Puget Sound Toyota Owners Festival. I've been here for a little bit already, but a couple of Celicas here, a lot of GT4s. I like this huge wing on there. Let's check this one out. Oh, it's not even turbo. This one is though, and I think it's right-hand drive too. And there's one real nice 86 hatchback. And I'm parked way out over there. I didn't want to pay for this parking because I wasn't going to stay here for long. But yeah, here's a couple of MR2s. This is where I came from. This one's supercharged. This one's supercharged too. This one here is crazy. Wide body and 2GR.
This car hasn't been out in a while, in 16 years. Yeah, I was going to say a long while.
Yeah, the yellow suits this car really well. It's got a sweet little display here. Maybe I should make this for my car too. Some nice Recaro seats. Let's see what this one has. Oh, so this one has Gen 2 3S GTE, and same with that. A lot of Toyota trucks, but I'm not really interested in that. Maybe one day I'll do a VIP build, but these things are sick. Especially this one. This one's pretty nice too. Yeah, this meat's actually kind of small compared to the previous years. So I guess I'm gonna head out and head over to the GMC meet. Yeah, you still want this clutch? There you go. But it's super noisy, huh?
Yeah. It sounds like it's fucked up.
Yeah, that's just how the ORC clutches sound, the twin plates. It's funny, the previous owner said the same thing, how it sounds like a samurai sword when you start it up.
Yeah. Everybody says the same thing, they all sound just like that. That's fucked up. It's kind of scary.
Do you know how long it took me to get used to that?
For a while.
It took like a month to be able to drive it normally.
Short shift.
Yeah. Alright, so I just left the Puget Sound Toyota Owners Festival. I'm heading up to the GMC meet now, but I am stuck in traffic. I have like another 30 minutes to get there, and I've been on the road for 30 minutes already, so it's taking me an hour just to go 20 miles, which is pretty ridiculous. It's 95 degrees outside right now. My car doesn't have AC, so I'm just getting cooked up in here. Oh, and also I have a racing clutch, so it's a little hard to drive this car. I don't know if you hear that rattling, but that's the clutch. So I guess if you don't see me at the meet after this clip, then I didn't make it to the GMC meet, which is unfortunate because all my buddies were there, and it's not just Toyotas and stuff. It's gonna be like classics and 90s cars and stuff. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Hopefully I make it. Well, after all that traffic, I made it out to the GMC meet. There's 286s. I don't know what this is, some kind of Ford. That's pretty cool. And got a Supra just right next to me. This is my dream car, one day. Johnny! That's my buddy Johnny right there. Whoa! Yeah, I got here like right at the end of the meet, so a lot of the cars aren't here. This one went kind of a different direction. You usually see FRSs, you know, with like wide body kit and stuff, but this has like the Watanabe wheels. It's kind of cool. A couple more FRSs BRZs over there. And this car, this Hakoska really caught my eye. Let's go take a look at it. Real nice wide long champs. It's another 86 here. This one looks real nice. GTS Coupe. Got the SSR mesh wheels in the front and MK2s on the rear. So after that last clip, I kind of got caught up talking with the owners of the GMC shop and the people that set up the meet. I think they're called Namsayin or something like that, but yeah, that was a good meet actually. Like, had a really good vibe. There was a lot of cool cars, and you know, they're like people like me, you know. They like building cars. They like older cars and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll probably be going to that meet again if they do another one. And not only that, they give you free monsters. So I got a bunch of those. So I'm back home now, and let's see the progress on the Z. Alright, so I got home and started working on Z a little bit. And as you can see, we got some painted parts. It's like a real deep midnight blue. Yeah, tell us more about the color.
It is the midnight blue pearl. You can see there's little specks in here and there. It's not a flat color, which is apparently pretty hard to paint on your first time, but not bad. Looks like we still got some swirl marks or sanding marks here and there, but we're just gonna buff it again.
Alright, you can clearly see it right here. Like, the right side here is blue, but then the left side is black.
Well, let's not talk about this swirling stuff.
And then you walk over to it and it's all blue.
Yep, so we actually ran out of primer, which is why that one's not done. So waiting on that to come in. Air dam is not sanded yet. That should be the next thing we're doing.
Here's the headlight buckets. That's done too.
All this is done. Cowl's
And
done.
Cowl's done. We still gotta clean the inside, all the compound paste, but that's done. New skillet inspection panels.
I don't like how this is gray now.
Yeah, you can clearly see it. Like, this is black and this is like
I guess it
gray.
faded. It was powder coated from skillet, but
Yeah, so what's next?
we're gonna finish the fenders. Get this air dam finished up also. And what else?
Then we gotta do the doors here. There's one already off.
Yeah. The doors can be pretty interesting to do.
Yeah, but once you finish these fenders, you should see how it's gonna look. Get a pretty good idea.
Yeah, I love how there's a line right here that just splits it perfectly.
You can clearly see it here again.
It's not two-tone, it just shifts.
Yeah. Alright, so I guess we're gonna end it there, huh?
Yeah. Pretty cool for a DIY home job.
Yeah, not too bad. And also, if you saw this hood right after we clear coated, there was a lot of imperfections, but we got it all out. So, yeah, next time the fender should be done, and doors will probably be done too, but I don't know if we're gonna record that. It's kind of a boring process, so yeah. Anything else to say?
Peace.